Let's talk about Dancook 1800 Kettle Barbecue Grill Stand. Primary cooking grid, 54 cm diameter. Made with stainless steel and aluminium, strong, durable and sturdy. Extra thick 6 mm chrome plated grid, durable and ideal for holding larger, heavy cuts of meat and poultry. 3 air vents control the temperature with the turn of a finger. Patented liner reduces the use of coal and makes cleaning easier. One-piece frame, optimal stability and securable for barbecue kettle. Product HXW, 107 by 79 by 74 cm. Warranty 10 years on stainless steel parts. 2 years on all other parts. The best charcoal barbecue by far. They are everlasting. On looks and build, this looks just really good and feels sturdy. Just need the weather to use it. Great quality and looks great on the decking.